Kharge versus Adhir Rao has erupted over the alliance with the TMC in West Bengal, where the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has rebuked party leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary over his anti-Mamta remarks. While addressing a joint press conference along Indie allies in Mumbai, Kharge said that Mamta Banerjee is with the alliance as she has recently said that she will join the government, further adding that High Command to decide an alliance with Mamta, not Adhir or other leaders, and those who do not fall in line will be thrown out of the party. Listen in.
Mamta ji पहले तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम बाहर से सपोर्ट करते हैं। रिसेंटली और एक स्टेटमेंट उनका आया है कि अगर सरकार बनती है तो सरकार में हम शामिल हो जाएंगे। तो नेचुरली वो गठबंधन के साथ है, ये स्पष्ट है। अब रही बात अधीर रंजन चौधरी की, अधीर रंजन चौधरी निर्णय लेने वाले नहीं, निर्णय लेने वाले हम हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी है, हाईकमांड है, इसीलिए वो हम जो निर्णय लेंगे वही सही होगा। हम जो तय करेंगे फॉलो करें, अगर कोई फॉलो नहीं करता तो वो बाहर जाएगा।
Now remember, this comes after Mamta's statement on external support that has triggered intense political debate. While a few allies of the INDI bloc welcomed the support, Adhir Ranjan openly said that he does not trust Mamta, citing that she can also go towards BJP if the results are favorable to them.
मैं उनसे भरोसा नहीं करते, गठबंधन छोड़ के भागी उन्होंने, उनकी बातों पे कोई भरोसा नहीं। अगर बीजेपी की तरफ ज्यादा भारी रहे तो वो उस तरफ भी जा सकते। मुझे उनके ऊपर कोई भरोसा नहीं कि गठबंधन तोड़ने वाली ममता बनर्जी सबने देखा है। और दुहाई देने की चलते कांग्रेस पार्टी को हिंदुस्तान में खत्म करने की बात कर रहे थे कि कांग्रेस 40 से ज्यादा सीट मिलेगा ही नहीं, कांग्रेस खत्म हो चुके हैं। अभी दुहाई देना शुरू कर दी। इसका मतलब ये कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरे गठबंधन जो है कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ दूसरे जो गठबंधन है वो सत्ता पे आ रहे हैं। इसके लिए अभी मतलब जिसको कहते हैं कि लाइन लगाना शुरू कर दिया ममता बनर्जी।
Well, for more on this, we have Adrija. Adrija, give a sense of what's happening in Bengal. Congress leadership is playing an act of balance. Their own leaders in Bengal are saying we are not in favor of Mamta Banerjee. What's happening in Congress?
Well, absolutely. You see, since the beginning, we have seen how TMC have come out and have especially mentioned that they are a part of the India alliance, but the Congress and the left in Bengal particularly are not part of the India alliance, and they are fighting against TMC. And TMC have also claimed that the Congress and the CPM are helping the BJP to win the election and cut votes for the TMC in this Lok Sabha elections. And now, when this statement comes from the Congress High Command, where the TMC have been demanding since the beginning of the elections that, the Delhi Congress should clear their stand on the India alliance and on the role that the TMC and Mamta Banerjee will be playing. And now we have seen that Mallikarjun Kharge have clearly said, have clearly given a statement, in fact, in favor of Mamta Banerjee and, not so much in favor of their own party leader, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. However, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary have mentioned that, this is an ideological fight and he can't stop this fight and he will continue to save his party in the state of West Bengal.